In this video, we want to prove that 6 divides 5 to the 2n minus 1 power plus 19 for every positive integer n. We're going to prove this by using induction, and we're going to start off with a base case being n equals 1. So we have 5 raised to 2 times 1 minus 1 power plus 19. That simplifies to just 5 plus 19, which is 24. And we know that 24 is 6 times 4, which means 6 divides 24. And so 6 divides 5 plus 19. So this statement holds for n equals 1. Now we're going to assume that for some positive integer k, 6 divides 5 to 2k minus 1 plus 19. And so because it does that, there exists an integer m such that 5 to 2k minus 1 plus 19 is a multiple of 6. And so we're going to call it, we're going to say it's equal to 6m. So now we must show that 6 divides 5 to the 2 times the quantity k plus 1 minus 1 plus 19. So now we can continue with that. So we have 5 to the 2 times k plus 1 minus 1 plus 19, which if you distribute the 2 and simplify, you get 5 to the 2k plus 1 plus 19. And we want to use the induction hypothesis here, inductive hypothesis. So we want to write it as 5 to the 2k minus 1 plus 19. But here I have 5 to the 2k plus 1 plus 19. So I can subtract 2 in the exponent by breaking it out as 5 squared times 5 to the 2k minus 1, which 5 squared is 25. So that's 25 times 5 to the 2k minus 1 plus 19. So this part is good, but the problem is we have that 25 in front. So what we're going to do instead is break it up, and we have 24 copies of 5 to the 2k minus 1, plus if we have another copy of 5 to the k minus 1, this will just equal 25 copies of 5 raised to the 2k minus 1. So that's going to equal this. And of course, we're going to have the plus 19 on the side. Okay, so now, if we look at it individually, we know that that 6 divides 24 times 5 to 2k minus 1, because 24 is a multiple of 6. And then 6 also divides 5 to 2k minus 1 plus 19 by this inductive step right here. And so 6 is going to divide the sum of the two multiples of 6. And so this statement holds for k plus 1. And so we proved that 6 divides 5 to 2n minus 1 plus 19 for every positive integer n.